Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you are a serious YouTube content creator, then you know that there are a lot of things that go into producing each video and getting it published. And you also probably have heard of a lot of different tools that you can use to manage your YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be talking about my favorite YouTube tool, and that is TubeBuddy. And I'm going to be going over my top 3 best features of TubeBuddy. And so this tool is actually free for you to use. However, if you do want to use a lot of the premium features, then there are paid options, and that's what I have. I actually have the star option, the star license. And so if this is something that you actually want to use, just know that you can get started for free, but a lot of these features that I'm showing you, it'll only come with the paid version. So let's go ahead and get into that. So the very first and best feature of TubeBuddy is this whole bulk option. So as the name implies, this allows you to do bulk processes. So for somebody who's just starting out with a small channel, this might not be important at all. But if you're a channel like mine where I have over 1,200 videos, then you having to manually go into each video and to make changes, that'll probably take you months or maybe even more than a year, depending on what you have on your channel. And so let's take an example where I wanted to change some stuff in the description of all my 1,000 plus videos. So let's say I have this text right in my video and I wanted to change the URL from this to something else. I'm just giving you an example. So let's go ahead and go into this bulk feature. So I want to change that URL. And so all I have to do is go into this bulk feature and I want to find and replace. Now there are many other options here available, but I'm just going to focus on this. So I want to find this text right here. And I just want to change the URL, and let's just say I want to say HTTPS. And you could choose many things. You could look for it by case sensitivity, partial word matches, the titles on your videos, or just the descriptions. For me, I just want to look for it in the descriptions. And typically, you're going to include partial word matches as well. So let's go ahead and continue. Now, you could search all your videos, or you could only load a few videos at a time. So in this case, I'm going to load 50 videos at a time. And there's other options here to do in your search, but I'm just going to show you really quick. And what the tool is going to do is going to show all your videos with that actual text string. And you could choose whichever videos you want. So let's say, for example, I just chose this one and that'll go continue. And then when you do yes, do it, it will change it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now just to show you that it works. So let's go ahead and do that. And great, it's completed successfully. Now let me refresh this. And once that refreshes, I'm going to show you if my description has actually changed. So I'm going to go into this video. And I did a really quick change. All I wanted to do was change it from HTTP to HTTPS for my Instagram link. So if I go down here, and there it is. It was HTTP, now it's HTTPS. Okay, that's just a very simple example. And you could see how powerful this is. Not only for changing description text that you actually had, but you could change titles, or you could even add additional things to your description. And this is absolutely amazing, because if you actually had to do this without this tool and you did this manually, it could take you hundreds of hours to actually do this. And so that alone is going to save you so much time. So that is the first best feature of TubeBuddy. So getting to the second best feature, it has to do with your actual tags and description and so forth. So let's say, for example, that you uploaded a video, right? So let's say I just wanted to upload a video here. And normally what you would have to do is you would put in your title, your description, and tags. But with TubeBuddy, you're able to do something else. You could create different profiles to apply here. So I have multiple profiles here. So say that you have many different types of videos in different categories. Like for example, if I was uploading this, say it's like a movie related video, right? I could do here and then I could apply it. And now it has set all the tags that I had related for movies. And this is something that is extremely powerful. And whenever you set this up, you'll go into your upload defaults and you could set up multiple profiles. So this way, depending on the type of content that you have, you can upload different titles, different tags, different descriptions. And so with this multiple profile feature that TubeBuddy has, it allows me to quickly add a lot of these tags, descriptions, and titles that will make marketing a lot easier. So if you have many different types of categories of content, I really don't think there's a better way to do this, especially if you actually have to do this manually versus having things that are already preset and built just for the type of content that you have. And so what is my number one favorite feature of TubeBuddy? Well, it's none other than its competitive and keyword analysis. So let me show you how that looks like. So if I were to type in something like Samsung Galaxy S10, well, TubeBuddy has this search explorer, and what it would do is it'll give you a number of important things. The first thing is it'll show you how difficult it is to actually try to rank for this keyword. It'll show you the search volume, searches per month, and there's the competition right there. So if you try to rank for Samsung Galaxy S10, it's going to be pretty difficult. It's out of 9 out of 100. And also it allows you to see something extremely important, and that is the actual keywords. And so you would use this in your tags. And there's also some quick keyword stats right here. So let's say, for example, you wanted to rank for this, and here's all the keyword ideas, but you also wanted to see what some of the top ranking videos are using right now. All you have to do is click on the video, and TubeBuddy is going to do its magic. So right here, everything is right here. You could even see the search rankings as well, where it ranks in YouTube, and this video ranks really well. And so that way, by using this, it's very similar to the whole default profile tool. This is awesome for marketing, and I use this heavily, and it saves me so much time, and it also gives me a lot of ideas as well, not only in the keywords that I want to use, but also some other ideas that I want to use as well for future videos. So those are all the main top features that I love about TubeBuddy. There's so many other great things that you can use in this tool. And if you are somebody who is a serious content creator, then I highly recommend that you give this a look. And as I stated earlier, you can download this and install this for free. And if you did want to use some of these more premium features, you could also pay for the additional licenses. And if you did want to support my channel, then I will leave a link to my TubeBuddy page. It is an affiliate link. So go ahead and check that out, download the free tool. And then if you wanted to get some of these really great features, then, try out the different licenses that they have available. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, whether you've used TubeBuddy before, or maybe you're using some other tool, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey, I will also leave that playlist in the description as well. So if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.